YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Megami device Chaos and Pretty Witch from Kotobukiya, and on today's video I'll be building this. I began building this kit by cutting out each part from each sprue and cleaning each part to a smooth finish with files and sandpapers before assembling them as instructed in the assembly manual. Building this kit is similar to other Megami device kits. There are a lot of small parts and some parts were hard to cut out and clean due to their awkward connection points. While some parts fit and finish was great, however there were a few parts that required a bit of fiddling to get it to fit properly and cleanly. Still, the build was relatively headache-free and it didn't take long to get this kit finished as an out-of-box build. Now this is where I will show you several pictures of the kit as an out-of-box build. However, as I built this kit, I had a series of unfortunate events. Due to the corrupted SD card, I had lost a lot of pictures and video footages, so I won't be able to show you the pictures. The finished kit did look good, however, because it used color correcting stickers, it did feel a little cheap compared to other Megami device kits like Astra kits. And to be honest, the kit looked a bit bland. To make the kit look better, I purchased the resin kit, which gave the body a different look. The resin kit is a recast I purchased from a GKN, and it gives the kit a more revealing swimsuit. The resin kit had a lot of small parts, and unlike the plastic, it is more fragile, so special care was needed as I cut out the small parts. Like the plastic kit, I cleaned out each part to a smooth finish using a file and sandpaper after they were cut out. Please understand that the resin dust can cause harm to your lungs, so always wear a proper PPE when working with resins. After cleaning each part, I assembled them to see how it would look like. Unlike the Megami device kit, it didn't have a great instruction, so I had to figure out the assembly. However, it was simple, so it didn't really need an assembly guide. And this is how it would look like with the resin parts. And yes, you can choose the breast size. Before painting, all parts were washed with warm soapy water to remove any grease from the surface. I began painting by applying primers. I used a white primer on parts that we painted as a skin color and dark gray for other parts. For skin tone, I used Mr. Hobby Lascivus Paint. I began painting using CL01, and after that, I used CL03 to slowly build up the shade. This is a slow process, but it gives a great skin tone. As for the other parts, I began painting dark color as a base paint and applying lighter colors over it to get some shaded look. Once the painting is done, I sealed it with a varnish. After the varnish has been cured, I'll apply water slide decals for her eyes. I also gave it more depth to her skin tone by using a red and brown pastel. I ground out each pastel and applied it using a brush, giving a bit more shade. Once everything was done, I sealed it again using a varnish. And here is the finished kit. The kit is okay. Compared to other kits, it looks a bit bland and boring. The body is unusually long, giving it a weird proportion, and the skirt looks awkward. Still, it has a skin tone hand and the leg set. Not to mention a lot of effect parts, so those make up for its bland look. This kit also suffers weak joints that are present on early Megami device and Frame On Girls kit. I broke both shoulder joints as well as her feet on this kit. So right now they are glued on and I was unable to take a lot of pictures of the finished kit in various poses. Unless you like the look or want the bare skin tone, hand and feet set and the effect parts, I wouldn't recommend this kit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that like button if you like this video, and please support my channel by subscribing.